You're probably making one of these common exercise mistakes that's holding you back.
But
Don't worry. I've got the perfect routines to turn your results around. When it comes to working out, it is easy to get caught up in the excitement of starting a new routine and pushing ourselves to be our best. But sometimes, in our enthusiasm, we end up making mistakes that can actually hurt our progress. These mistakes might seem small, but trust me, they can make a huge difference in how quickly you reach your fitness goals. The thing is, we've all been there. You start a new workout routine, you're super motivated, and you're convinced you're doing everything right. But weeks go by, and you just aren't seeing the results you thought you would. It's frustrating, right? You start to wonder if it's even worth it. Correcting these exercise mistakes can be a total game changer. So it's super important to focus on proper form and technique from the very beginning. If you're only doing one type of exercise, like only focusing on cardio or only lifting weights, you're missing out on the benefits of a well-rounded fitness routine. A balanced routine includes a mix of cardio, strength training, and flexibility exercises. Not only will this help you avoid injury, but it'll also ensure you're getting the most out of your workouts. For instance, if you're only doing cardio, you might be burning calories and improving your endurance, but you're not building strength or toning your muscles. If you're skipping workouts or not sticking to your routine, you're not going to see the results you want. It's better to start small and stick to a manageable routine than to try to do too much and give up after a week. This will ensure you're getting a well-rounded workout and targeting all areas of fitness. Take the time to learn the correct form for each exercise, and don't be afraid to ask for help if you're unsure. If you're not keeping track of your workouts, including what you're doing and how you're feeling, it's hard to see how far you've come. Treat your workouts like any other appointment and make sure to show up. Remember, it's all about making small changes to your routine and being consistent. For example, if you're not tracking your workouts, you might not realize that you've been doing the same routine for weeks, and that SYU not seeing results. This can make it tough to stay motivated. On the other hand, if you're only lifting weights, you might be building muscles, but you're not improving your cardiovascular health. And if you're looking for more workout tips, be sure to check out our video on the best exercises for a full body workout. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video by identifying and fixing these errors. You can supercharge your workouts and finally start seeing the progress you've been working so hard for. Take control of your fitness journey today and start seeing the results you deserve. By avoiding these mistakes and incorporating our 4 routines, you'll be on your way to achieving your fitness goals. It's all about making a few simple adjustments to your routine. These routines are designed to help you avoid the mistakes we've discussed and get the most out of your workouts. What's important is that you learn from those mistakes and keep moving forward. So, let's get into it. There are 4 common exercise mistakes that can really hold you back. The first 2 mistakes I'm about to share with you are probably more common than you think. The first mistake is overtraining. Overtraining happens when you're pushing yourself too hard, too often, without giving your body enough time to rest and recover. This might sound counterintuitive, but resting is just as important as exercising. When you're overtraining, you're not giving your muscles the chance to repair and grow. It means you're not getting stronger or seeing the results you want. For example, if you're hitting the gym every single day, thinking that the more you work out, the faster you'll see results, you're actually doing more harm than good. Another mistake that goes hand in hand with overtraining is poor form. Using poor form can lead to injuries and means you not targeting the muscles and retrying your work. It's easy to get caught up in trying to lift heavy weights or do a lot of reps. But if you're sacrificing form for the sake of pushing yourself, harder you're actually cheating yourself out of a good workout. Poor form can become a habit if you're not careful, and it's hard to break that habit once it's set in. The second mistake is not having a balanced routine. Not having a balanced routine can lead to plateaus and prevent you from reaching your full potential. The last 2 mistakes are just as crucial. The third mistake is not tracking your progress. Not tracking your progress can also make it difficult to identify what's working and what's not. The fourth mistake is not being consistent. Consistency is key when it comes to working out. So, what can you do to avoid these mistakes and boost your results? That's where our 4 routines come in. The first routine is to incorporate a mix of strength training, cardio, and flexibility exercises into your workout routine. The second routine is to focus on proper form and technique. The third routine is to track your progress. Keep a workout log or use an app to track your exercises, sets, reps, and how you feel. The fourth routine is to schedule your workouts and stick to it. By incorporating these routines into your fitness journey, you'll be well on your way to avoiding the common exercise mistakes and achieving your goals. To recap, the 4 exercise mistakes to avoid are overtraining, poor form, not having a balanced routine, and not being consistent. So, don't let these mistakes hold you back any longer. If you've experienced any of these mistakes firsthand, I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. Your fitness journey is unique to you, and it's okay to make mistakes along the way. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fitness content, and I'll catch you all in the next video.